west or the other way, going towards South Bay area, like Rose Lane. This time, this is time. Power went out. The power went out, that's why.
Yes, I'm recording a video for you guys. So you hit the Windows key. Go to my computer. Look for the type that says disconnected network drive right here. There. Double click on that. Type in the password, which is going to be press. Hit OK. Once you're able to see the zip files, then it will be ready. At that point, you can close out right up top, right up here. And you're just about ready to do this. At this point, you can launch Press Tool and you can go from there, or you can hit. Yeah, kind of recording for you guys. And then you hit the Windows key again. What you want to do is make sure that all the apps are running at the bottom. So you're going to see the Akiyama data converter. Hit Windows again. Make sure that all this is open. Make sure that you have your sidebar here. And then go back to the launcher. At this point, you're ready to go back into Press Tool. Once that launches, you're able to open up your job or create a job so you can get back into the SIP. Go under Open Job if you already have an open job, or go under New Job. New. Pick the type that you want, coded, uncoded, what have you. We're just going to choose C1S4 and 4 right now. Now this is where we have a problem here under the projects. You want to put all your projects under Akiyama 8 color to keep them organized and not create extra projects that are unnecessary. So I'm going to cancel for now. I'm going to hit gloss. So right now we have a project called 1 that we're going to have to get rid of. So I'm going to open the job. Now somebody created this and they have a couple of jobs in here. So what I'm going to do is hit delete and hit number 4. So just so you can see what I'm doing, I tapped here in the blue area. I'm going to tap here to delete, so it gets lit up blue. Then you delete each one of these, and that will delete that. Or what you can do is click on delete here, and then delete that, and that'll remove all of these too. So let's try removing all of them. Well, here, let's do one at a time first, on the right. So I've already deleted that. We're going to highlight number 4. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete the job? We say yes. It'll remove it. Now you're left with 1. Now we're going to remove the whole folder. Delete. Right here on the left-hand side, click on 1. Hit yes. That removes all of them. Now we're back to the 8-color Akiyama. This is the one you want to be in. This is the one you want to maintain. Stuff like this, the HHH, ZZZ, Y1111. We all know it's BS, so there's no reason to create those. Create them by the job number so you know what they are. So you can go hit delete, HHH, remove those. There's no point in having that or creating that. It's unnecessary. So we're going to go to new job. Right, top left, we're going to just create one. You'll see that all the projects are gone. You have the one that we're supposed to have, the 8-color. Type in your new job. We're going to type this test. And then I'm going to hit enter. You can hit enter on the keyboard, or you hit this button right here. Now you're back in. Change your color bars, change whatever you need to, whatever it is that you need to do. your density should already be set, and you're ready to go. The only thing you have to check now is make sure your other computer is on. Right over here. Over here, the only thing you really need to do is set the keys. So this one is not touch. You have to use the mouse. Mouse, keyboard. So make sure what you want to do is you want to display the keys. Once you hit the display the keys button right over here, it's going to cycle through the console. Right now it's on what, lower? Yeah, lower, and it's going through all of the values. It's grabbing all the current key values that are on your console. And we have a in key data error. So it looks like unit 1, key 1 is bad. We have a bad, okay, we do, okay. So when you get errors like this, that means that the system is reporting back. What happens here is that your console, so the computer requests the information from the console, right? The console card is in here. There's a card that lands right in here. That's connected to the computer. The card's connected to this part of the console keys. If any of these keys have an error, it'll report back to this card. This card will report back to the computer right over here. And that's how the data flows. And anyhow, so it should tell you or give you a good idea of where the problem is at. Hit OK. And then as you can see, all the values, except for that one, the number 1, as you can see, it's a negative. All the values that are currently on the system or on the ink keys will now be displayed on your the ink key profile. So in order, before you start looping, you need to do this. Once these numbers are set, then you can start doing the loop and then start getting the X-rite to work.